Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. So my friend and I got a gig at the NYSC orientation camp in Akwa Ibom, and I decided to do a vlog of myself on my way down there and just show you guys the camp because I remember when I served in Abia State some years back, I went online looking for I was unsure of what the camp looked like, so I wanted to see what it looked like online and just get an idea of what to possibly expect. So yes, I couldn't find anything like that. So I thought, okay, this is an opportunity to film the Akwa Ibom State orientation camp, just to give anyone an idea of what it looks like in case you ever get posted here. So yes, come along guys, let's vlog and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Akwa Ibom State always has a road construction project going on at every point in time. It wasn't different on this particular day. They were working on the Oron Road, and so we couldn't use the normal route into camp. We had to go through the village in Insidatai to get through camp because the direct road to camp was blocked.
like you. That one. You look like this actress. Oboli. Omoni Oboli. I swear, you look exactly like Omoni Oboli. Yeah, I think so.
Special permission to come and film the Man O' War area. It's quite large, but I don't think I'm going to film all of it. So I'll just show you a few because it extends all the way down there. I'm not going to go that far. I'll just catch a few seconds of some of the Man O' War drills for you guys. I'm not sure what exactly goes on here, but I think it's still part of the Man O' War. Let me also zoom into those ropes. Yes, those are all for drills as well. Okay. I'm not sure what drill goes on here. That's like a lawn tennis pitch, if I'm correct. And yes, I think I've done well so far. Let me also zoom into that hurdle. I remember that was a very challenging task for me in camp. Yeah. So I saw this really interesting seat in the camp. Are you supposed to sit with half bum bum? So guys, if I'm not wrong, I believe this is one of the skills acquisition breakout session, because some of the coppers are broken out into different groups, and I believe it's for the skills acquisition session of the camp experience. So I am done for today. I'm through with what brought me here to camp, and I'm leaving. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please remember to give me a like and subscribe if you've not subscribed for more content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.